Say hi.
Christian is from Berlin, Germany. He came to BeMyGuest Taipei for cooking Taiwanese food. We've visited nearby old town spots and traditional market. Everything was so interesting for Christians. We have tried the must-eat chicken rolls in Taipei market. We even visited two grandmoms. They plant organic vegetables by themselves. After the mini Dadaocheng tour, we went back to start our cooking. We will cook a Jiu Jia dish which was originally from here in Dadaocheng. Jiu Jia means traditional men's crop. It means this soup is special for men to drink in the crowd. Hey, don't think too much. This soup is for curing drinkers' hangovers. This squid soup is a very traditional Taiwanese soup. Each mother has their own recipes. We also cooked Taiwanese fried rice noodles. This is another hot-touched food for we Taiwanese. You can see the satisfied smile on Christian's face. You might probably know how happy for Christian to his food today. Okay, let's listen how Christian talking about his feeling for today's cooking class.
Yes, hi, my name is Christian. I come from Berlin.
So how do you like our cooking class today?
Oh, I liked it a lot. I liked the market tour, and there were lots of nice things, and we could try even. That was nice.
How do you like the chicken roll? Is very special for you, or?
Yeah, we don't have markets like this in Europe.
Check. Your fried noodles, and this is the squid soups here. Very difficult to cook in Taiwanese food.
No, it was pretty easy.
Easy, right?
And it was nice to learn about the ingredients and the techniques they use and the common basis to make the soup and the noodles. And now I'm gonna taste it.
Okay, so as I know you are going to leave on Monday.
Yes.
Going back to Germany for work. But don't forget sometimes cook some delicious food for you, for yourself or for your families. Okay.
I will.
You will. Okay. Okay. Let's say goodbye to our audience. Yeah. Bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.